How I made my first $50 with this free AI tool. Fast-paced and emotional. I had 0 followers, 0 experience, but with just one free AI tool, I made my first $50 online, and it didn't take weeks. It took hours. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you how. Calm but inspiring. Hey, welcome to the future of income. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I made my first $50 using a 100% free AI tool, with no investment, no coding, and absolutely no audience. If you're tired of side hustles that don't deliver, this one's for you. Stick around to the end and I'll reveal how to scale this into a $100 per day stream. 1. The tool. VoiceOver, curious and confident tone. The tool I used, ChatGPT. That's it. Free, powerful, and insanely easy. What it does. Writes content, answers questions, creates emails, product descriptions, bios, and more. I used the free version of ChatGPT at chat.openai.com. No paid plan, no extensions, just raw AI power. 2. The service. So how did I make the money? I offered a simple gig on Fiverr. I will write a high-converting product description for your store using AI. Why it worked. Small businesses need product descriptions. They don't know AI can do it. You do. And that makes you the middleman. I posted 5 gigs. Amazon product descriptions, Shopify descriptions, Etsy titles, SEO meta descriptions, Instagram captions. Within 24 hours, I got my first client. 3. The process. Practical and slow-paced. Once a client placed an order, here's exactly what I did. 1. Copy their product details into ChatGPT. 2. Prompt it. Write a high-converting, SEO-optimized product description for this item. 3. Review and edit lightly for grammar and natural tone. 4. Deliver to the client on Fiverr. Time spent, 20 minutes. Money earned, $15. That first day, I completed 3 orders equals $45. Fiverr took a small cut, but I ended the day with $50.23 in my account. 4. Proof plus strategy. VoiceOver, humble and excited tone. I didn't believe it until I saw the notification. You've received a payment of $50.23. That's when it clicked. I didn't need a fancy degree, a marketing budget, or even a camera. Just free AI, clear gig description, a real need in the market. Bonus. I added the line, I generated and human refined, to my profile to build trust. Clients loved it. 5. Scaling the method. Here's how I'm growing it now. Offering 24-hour delivery at a small extra fee. Creating bundles, 5 product descriptions for $50. Reposting the same service on other platforms like People Per Hour, Upwork, and Facebook groups. I also started using AI to generate social media captions for influencers. That's an entirely new income stream, same method, same AI. Next steps. So let me ask you this. If a free AI tool helped me earn my first $50 online, what's stopping you? You don't need to be a genius. You just need a laptop, a browser, and a tiny bit of courage. Action steps. Open ChatGPT. Set up a Fiverr account. Offer a writing gig that solves real problems. You're not late. You're right on time. The AI era is here. Let it work for you. Want my exact Fiverr gig description template? Drop a fire in the comments and I'll send it free. Inbox bonus. I'll DM a list of 5 gigs you can copy today using only ChatGPT.